Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a review and demo on this new Hard Candy Glow Primer. It's sheer envy, so keep on watching. Okay, so here is the makeup primer that I'm going to be reviewing and showing you how to use. It's by Hard Candy. I've used primer by them before, and I did a video with them a couple months ago. I'll try to link it down below, but this one is a new one by Hard Candy, and it's Sheer Envy Glow Primer. It has pearls to boost your skin and hydrate your skin. So I have to say real quick before we start, I really like this one better than the other one. The other one was for sensitive skin, and I do have sensitive skin, but this one works really well for me, but don't quote me on it for yourself. But yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to open it up like this, and it's kind of like a goldish scent, and I'm just going to put a drop on my hand, like that. See how it's gold? And I'm just going to rub it in my hand and put it on my face all over. So, I need a little bit more. So I'm going to put another bigger drop. That might be too much, but I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of a yellowish color coming out gold. I really like this product. I also picked it up at Walmart for $8. So, but you could probably get it at your local Target drugstore somewhere that sells it, or you can order it off their website on Hard Candy, I'm pretty sure. So there you have it. I really like this one, so I'm gonna come back and show you the end product. Hey, I wanted to show you something really quick. After this makeup primer by Hard Candy dries, it has like a goldish tint to it. I don't know if you can see that, but I just wanted to show you real quick how it dries before I show you the end product. So I'm back with the end result of the Hard Candy Primer Glow Sheer Envy Glow Primer. Like I said, I picked this up at Walmart for $8, but here is the end result. I don't know if you could tell the difference between my videos, but I am so in love with this primer. It totally works for me. I do have sensitive skin, but I use it, but it probably doesn't work for all, but maybe some. Don't quote me on it. Like I said in the previous video slide. So I totally recommend this product. Go pick it up. I'm so in love with it. You'll love it. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, comments, put them down below. Thanks for watching.